friends are going to draw an axolotl mermaid.
Yeah, holding a seashell. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, and this is how our drawings turn out at the very end. And yours is always my favorite. But what can our art friends use?
Any art supplies you have.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. First, we're gonna draw the seashell, and we're gonna draw a little curve in the middle of our paper for the top of the seashell. I'm gonna draw it right here, and I'm gonna draw it this big and maybe curve down a little more. There we go. More like a rainbow line. Then we're going to draw her little arms coming around the seashell and hanging onto it. So we could actually start right here and we could draw her little arm coming in, and then I'm going to come around and then we're going to go back into the seashell. So it's just this little cute hand. And then you could also start up here too if you want, and then come around this way and then come back in for her other arm. Yeah, there you go, keep going. You did it. Isn't that cute?
Yes.
Well, let's keep going. Next, we're gonna draw the bottom of the seashell. I'm gonna draw the letter V, but I'm also gonna curve it down here at the bottom and then connect over to the other side. Yeah. And then right in the middle is where you want, I drew a curve so it's not a sharp V at the bottom. Well, I like how you're doing both sides. You'll get there. Eventually they'll connect.
Oh, yes. There we go.
Yes, that's awesome.
No, I laughed.
It's okay. I like it.
It's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
There we go.
Don't worry about making it perfect, right? The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, have fun. And I think that's going to be really cute. Maybe that's the cheek and we could add a funny face.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the side of our seashell. I'm going to draw a little corner on the side here and then a little corner over here to match. Next, let's draw her face. And I'm going to draw the smile right above the seashell, right here. And then we could draw her eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and then a matching circle over here on the right. Then let's add a small circle for the highlight in the top of each eye and color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. I like this because it makes the eyes look really shiny. Next, let's draw her cheeks. I'm going to start here on the side of her head, and we're going to draw it curving in and connect to the shell, and then I'm going to do the same curve over here for her other cheek. Oh, I like how big her face
have a
is.
big face.
Yeah, she should have a big face.
Oh, yeah.
It's really cute. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, next let's draw her hair. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw, it's kind of off to the side. I'm going to draw an S curve that connects to the left side of her head. Next, let's draw an S curve on the other side too and connect. Okay, now it's just looking like a regular mermaid, well, without her tail. We need to add the axolotl gills, or the things that stick out of the side of the head. I think they're gills. We're going to draw a curve that comes out and looks like a raindrop. Yeah, sideways raindrop. It's gonna look like an alien. There you go. And then we're gonna add another one right below that one, and another one over here, and then one more. And I'm making these a little smaller too when they come down. Well, that one's a lot smaller. Yeah, now she's an axolotl.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's finish her hair next. We're gonna start here, and I'm gonna draw it curving. I'm gonna bring this up a little higher, and then we're gonna curve out, and then down and connect to the side gills, and then the same thing over here and connect. Next, let's finish her tail. We'll start here on the side, and we're gonna draw it curving down and then off to the left. And I also curved it kind of up too. Let's start here so that we're really close to the tail, and then we're gonna get further away and come over here to the other side of her body. Now we can draw the tail fin. I'm gonna draw one curve that comes out to the top, or out the top, and then one out the bottom. Yeah. Next, let's draw the inside of the tail fin. I'm gonna add a guide point right in the middle, so you can imagine the middle of the tail coming out here. Then we're gonna draw an S curve that comes out from that guide point, curves up, and then back the other way. And then we'll match and draw an S curve going this way. What else should we add?
Her hair.
Oh, the rest of her hair, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna imagine it going behind the little gills, and I'm gonna draw it curving to the side, and then we can curve back in. You could also change this. You don't have to draw it the same as me. You could draw it differently, or you could draw it straight or more curly. So I drew it coming back in and then going the other way. We could draw another little one, and then I'm gonna draw it coming down further. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So we'll imagine it going through, curving out to the side. Oh, this one I'm gonna draw it curving the other way. Then we can draw it curving back up. And then I'm gonna draw another S curve. Then a little up, and curve back into our body. We did it! We finished drawing our little mermaid, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color her.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings too. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our little drawings and they turned out perfect. Especially love yours, and I like that it doesn't look exactly like mine. That's okay, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and?
Practice.
Practice. And I hope you take extra time to add even more things, like we added magical sparkles and a little happy face on her shell.
I also like the shading.
Yeah, we added texture to her hair and also on the little shell, and gave her, what are these called? Scales?
Yeah, and you could add even more things.
Oh yeah, you could add the whole ocean in the background.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing an axolotl mermaid.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.